What up, Team Luckhouse? Today we are mountain biking at Timberline ski resort and bike park, Timberline bike park. Anyways, the mountain we were gonna snowboard this morning and then mountain bike in the afternoon, but it was so gnarly and the wind's so gnarly that they didn't even open up the ski resort today. So we're just mountain biking, which is also fine. My body will probably appreciate that. So we're out here with DJ Moore and we're gonna just get on the bikes. We're gonna go start ripping it. I haven't rode a bike park in like 3 years. And I've gotten a lot better at mountain biking. So we'll see how I do on this bike park. It might be a little cold, so I'm gonna have to pick up a jacket. But enough talking. Let's get dressed and let's send it. All right, the bike's good to go, guys. This is DJ. We're gonna have a sick day. We're gonna rip. Hey, Jeremy saving the day. He had a hoodie. We're a windbreaker. So now to the mountain bike. Cool. You gotta spray the bike down to enter the park. If anyone knows what this does or why you gotta do it, let me know in the comments. Yeah, you ready? Follow DJ the majority of the day. I mean, I haven't been on the bike in a minute. Oh, dude, if I didn't get this windbreaker, there's no way I'd be out here. It would have been way too cold. Yeah, let's stay easy. Yeah, I'm not trying to die on a bike. No, I got you. Cool, because I've never been in this part of the mountain because I've always showed up for summer snowboarding, so I've never snowboarded down here. And their trail is very soft, not very rocky like in Colorado. Colorado's super rocky. That was sick. I mean, that's all pretty easy. We can go a little harder. Okay. Yeah, technical. Yeah, if it's just rock technical, like that's all Colorado is. It's super rocky. They've got huge berms, they got little tiny berms. Oh, there's a jump. Ooh. Oh, it's the first one of the day. I was like trying to fix my foot on the pedal. Oh, I didn't have this camera going. I should have. I could catch up to DJ. I ate it on that turn. Oh, there's a rock drop. I don't got that, but you want to send it? So sick. This soft dirt on the trails is so different than Colorado. Like, we don't have, which I've never ridden anything in Colorado, with dirt this soft. Dude, you could probably send that. Yeah, I can't wait to like be able to jump on the bike. Here's a jump right here. I'll jump this. That was definitely my size of a jump. Ooh. Chain will smell like a little half pipe type. That's cool. That's sick. I feel like once we've done a couple trails and we find the ones that we like, I'll be able to rip them a little harder so I'll know what to expect. I wonder if their dirt can't compact. That's why they have to make a berm out of that. Oh yeah. We're good. We got this. Oh my goodness. Ah, I've never done anything like that. It's like a drop. Oh man. Oh, almost ate it right there. Oh. Oh yeah. I bailed on it. Sue. I think I might have been able to do it. I don't know. After stopping, no. Oh, and then right into this. That might have been a little advanced for me. So then another turn. I walked it.
You're down?
I walked it. I just like, cause I kind of stopped, and I'm really bad at restarting, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
So then I was like, I'll just walk it. Dude, you're ripping. So guys, I have no idea how this video is gonna play out, because I'm still figuring out how to make the mountain bike content. And then we got a bike park, so normally I only do like 1-2 runs, and then like my body's gassed from climbing. So we'll see how many we can do today. My hands and forearms though, dude, it's like it's a whole different upper body workout mountain biking.
Yeah, when you're going down all those bumps,
Yeah,
you just got the death grip going.
Dude, and I definitely have a death grip, so this is sick though. Just being in the lower part of Timberline is dope. Yep, I'm ready. You ready? That was sick. How's it going? Good guys. I swear, mountain bike runs are way longer than snowboard runs. Like way longer. Oh god, too far back. I'm tired in the butt. Oh man. Ooh. I was going right for the... I didn't make the turn. Made it to the bottom. You too. Oh man. That was so scary. What? This feels like Colorado. Dude, those jumps felt good. Oh, that was sick. Dude, this trail's like ripping. Oh. These jumps aren't bad. Oh, this is cool. I'd love to snowboard under that. Get a shot doing something cool. That'd be sick. You got something? Let's go. Oh! You want to give it another shot?
Try it. I got damage protection.
Yeah, I got the... Let's go. That was so sick. This is nuts. There's so much chopped up trees just thrown to the side. It's probably from when they made the trail. Look at these trees. They're all dead and just laying on the side. Oh man, look at this stump on that one. Dude, I see the lines. I see the things you can do. I just am not able to do them. Oh my god, oh my gosh! Woo-hoo. Just to drop like that, but couldn't imagine if it was into anything gnarly. God, this is that hard turn that I was like, I walked that last time. Whew. I rode through it this time. When you don't stop to look at it, you can't talk yourself out of it. You're just like, oh, I'm in it.
No walk downs either?
Yeah, no walk downs, nothing. Just ripping. Done using this guy for the day. He's just not having it. Doesn't want to stay up. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so scary. Oh, that was rough. Thank God I didn't break my collarbone. Oh. Oh. Get out the way. Oh. I thought I had it. I was like, yeah. And I was like, no, no, I don't. Oh, man. Good thing I know how to fall. I was able to just take that to the shoulder. Like, I was vibing and feeling it. No. Scratch the lens. Dang it.
Good?
Oh, I ate it. I'm good, but yeah, that drop.
Ooh boy.
Full front part of it. Oh, that's gnarly. All right, we do gotta go get a band-aid for my thumb, but I'm good. That thing is just gushing. That thing is insane. Yeah, just keep going.
Yeah.
Woo.
I'm trying to get it to like a main road so we can spread the road down.
It's all good. This trail might go all the way down to Ski Bowl. You're good. I think we went down the wrong trail. I think we're going all the way down to the bottom of the mountain. It's a sick trail. But I'm not getting that band-aid anytime soon. And Jeremy, dude, I'm sorry. It's got blood on your jacket. I'll wash it for you. I'm getting blood everywhere. Ugh. I think we're going to the bottom.
I mean that.
Oh, yeah, we're gonna hitchhike it back up.
Yeah, this is for sure regular trails.
Yeah.
Right? Correct. Where are you trying to get to?
We're trying to get back to Jeff's Flood, like one of the main lifts, but I know this. All right, government camp. All right, so that's what happens when you try and take a shortcut. You go get band-aids, you ride all the way down Mount Hood.
We end up in the city.
Hey, now we've done it. Nolan! Nolan for the win!
Yeah.
We gotta go get our bikes. They're still at the bottom. All right, guys, we're gonna end the video here. I do gotta go get my bike, but would love to keep riding, but riding all of Mount Hood down, it took a minute. Is that dirt? I got trashed on that bike. My thumb is just a big old bloody mess, and that was a ton of fun. Timberline Bike Park, it's a blast. Just don't eat it unless it's pizza. Still got dirt in my mouth. I'm just so thankful that I didn't like jack my shoulder up, because I took the whole slam here. No idea how I cut my thumb open. That's what I always say. Like, I like mountain biking, it's fun, but it's so dangerous, it's so scary. But if you want to support this, bike parks are expensive, and I broke my GoPro mount and I scratched the lens. I don't know if you guys can see the blemish on there, but we got wrecked. So if you want any of my mountain bike gear, it does support the channel. It's all affiliate links. It's all linked in the description. So is any of the Evolution merch, guys. And with that, as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you tomorrow with the snowboard video. And we're not done mountain biking, but see how my body feels tomorrow. I got trashed, dude. That's like.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no cliffhanger, yeah.